again, after 3 years. Since we have another lockdown in Slovenia, I thought to myself that I might as well just do some videos, because I have too much time, I guess. And since at home we are just eating and sitting around, and we are getting chubbier, gaining some weight, I thought to myself that we might as well challenge ourselves and do some exercises. So I prepared this video for me and you to get fit during that lockdown and to have some fun together. Exercises are apartment proof. I live in an apartment, so till now neighbors are not complaining. And you don't need any equipment, so you don't have any excuses. Like,
I would really exercise, but fitness is not open yet, so I have no equipment. This is not possible. I live in an apartment, so there is no room, you see? There is no room. I would really like to exercise now during quarantine, but I have to binge watch every series that I can.
no.
I don't even have proper exercising clothes.
Anna Marie?
I just have no time.
This is the first exercise that I like to do for warming up. I know that I kind of said that it's no equipment, but we need a chair for this. Just go with one leg. I do 10 reps of this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Okay. The next exercise is very similar to this one. The same, you will need a chair. It's just a little bit different. Okay. This is kind of like in the way. But you do one step up, arms apart, then opposite leg, opposite arm. You go 1 and another leg. 2, 3. Don't fall down. I'm not the one to blame. Do 10 or 20 of this, however you prefer. 6 or not, 7, I don't know. I lost counting. 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do a couple more for any case. La 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 la. Sunny day. Okay. I think I have enough of this one. Okay, when you do enough of this, you're kinda out of breath and you're kinda warmed up. If you're not, do twice as much. Do 3 times as much. These exercises are very good for your body, so it won't hurt. Okay, another exercise that I really like to do is good old plank. I like to do it 1 minute one way, another minute another way, 3rd minute another way, and so on. For the purpose of that video, because I have timer on my phone, which is there filming, I have this little guy here to measure the time, and I have a towel. I think you all have this at home, and then I just put my legs here so that I don't sleep. If you have yoga mat, that's perfect. If you don't, it's okay as well. So let's do it. First round. turn on. Just a little bit more. Okay, that's it. I turned this. Maybe it's just like half a minute. It's like it was finished very quickly, so I don't know. I didn't measure it. Well, if you can do more, you can do more. If you can do less, it's okay to do less. It's not like important. I mean, you are just competing with yourself, not with me or anyone else. Yeah, I forgot to go on my elbows. I'm talking too much. Way too much. Just a little bit more, just a little bit more. Burning. Okay. Another one. Okay. One arm up. I don't know if you see well, but it's like this. Well, the plank is that kind of exercise that, well, if you do it properly, you'll know, because you feel it, you feel it. You just have to be careful that you don't do like this. You have to have this up. You'll feel everything here. All the core is, all your core is burning. And another side. I think like I'm moving like that. Okay. Okay. Whew, well done if you came till here. Let's do another exercise which I really like. Now for another exercise you need just your arms. We will do little movements that actually really help improving these muscles. So you just need your arms and you will just make circles. So shoulders back, arms apart like angel wings, and just do quick circles. Fingers together and let's start. Whoop. And you will feel that it's burning a lot. And move in front of you, move forward another direction.
We might as well try this one with toilet paper. Woo! So like kinda little ways, and that we are more in Corona style. Or maybe not.
Okay, another one step, another step, one step, another step. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The thing here is that you stop just right after the floors. It can be like something like that space in between the floors, and you can do like this and rest. It will just hurt your knee. Okay, that's just another exercise. Let's do something else for our core. This is a very fun exercise that I like. Step firmly. Put your arms open. And let's start moving like we are grabbing something. You will feel here that you are really flexing those muscles. So if you look, I don't know if you can see this on me, but maybe you'll see on you. You're flexing. And it's like you're grabbing something. Till you feel here. Till you feel here again. Really have to try as far as you can. And as far as you can. And you cannot move your hips here. Just your upper core. You see? Like, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Quick moves, quick moves. Okay. Then another thing that we all know, it's more like a stretch, but still you feel all the muscles here. If you do this, you stretch it well. So like this. Stretch it well. And still, you feel it? If you feel it, it's correct. If you don't feel it, it's not correct. The simplest way to explain you that. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. On the 2, bring it lower. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, all the reps that you do, it's up to you. If you can do 10, it's okay. If you can do 15, it's better. 20, even better. Okay, for that next exercise, we'll need sofa or 2 chairs or something like that. You bring your booty on the end of sofa. You hold your hands here, or if you can grab yourself somewhere. I can't, it's too far from me. It's okay if you grab here, and then bring your legs down. Hold it here. You will feel all that burning, and that's how you know that it's working, of course. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Bring the legs here. Calm yourself a little bit. Tell yourself that you love yourself, and that's it. Turtle a little bit. It's fun and it's good for your spine. Ooh. Okay, that's perfect. If you can do it, even better version of that, which I really like, is that you go a little bit more like this, to have enough space, and then do, I don't don't know how it's called in English. It's like sveća, candle in Slovene. So I'll show you. Here and then down. Put it up and then bring it down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm falling down. Okay. Another thing that I like to do is also bridges. Put your legs on, then booty up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it here so that you feel that your booty is very hard. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, that's it. Okay, another exercise is... Well, I don't have any more exercises for today. The best thing I can tell you is that you have to think for yourself what you can do, what you like to do. I don't know, do you have stairs to your apartment? Go 5 times a day. Just because you can. Go on hike if you have any nature nearby. I don't know, clean the house multiple times because that's also exercising. While you do something, hold your stomach in, that also helps. Or hold your booty together, it also helps. A lot of these small shifts help. And of course, with exercises, you're only firming your body, you're strengthening your muscles, you're losing some calories, but like if you want to lose weight, you have to start in the kitchen. And 80% of all weight loss is like your eating habits, and I would say 20% is exercising. So that's it for today. Have fun. For bonus, we will dance some Zumba, if you'd like to. The choreography is from Nafa, because I was going to his classes of Zumba, and I have some classes filmed. Sorry, Nafa, I hope you're not mad. I'm doing commercial for him, so I think he's not mad. Okay, so let's do some Zumba. With Zumba, it's like that. You don't have to do it perfectly. I don't do it perfectly, even though I've been in some classes. We'll just have fun together. We'll just dance it off. If you dance everything differently is okay, as long as you are moving your body and you have fun. So let's do it. Oh, I will look there because I have it filmed on the TV. So don't mind where am I looking, and don't mind how the audio is, because I filmed that from from actual training, so you'll hear Nafa. Oh, and I have limited space here. Okay guys, so that's it for that video. I hope that you liked it, that you enjoyed it. Let's do a fit challenge and do this workout all 10 days, 12 days of quarantine, how much it will be, of lockdown, whatever it is. And be fit this time. Let's do something for ourselves. I'm going to dance a little bit more of that Zumba class because it's really fun. And hopefully see you in another video, if I'll be able to make another one sooner than in 3 years. In that case, we'll see each other after 3 years. Goodbye and thank you for watching. Oh, if you have time, subscribe as well, of course. Bye bye.